Welcome to Veerapaneni Infra Projects, where we create homes for your tomorrow. Today, we proudly present Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects, Vizag's benchmark for elegant living. Nestled in Sagar Nagar, just behind the peaceful ISKCON Temple and close to the vibrant beach corridor, Aalayam stands out as an exclusive, 5-story community, only 2 spacious, Vastu-compliant apartments per floor, with just 10 luxurious homes in total. Step inside to discover bright, airy interiors that blend traditional charm with modern sophistication. Enjoy abundant natural light, superior ventilation, and thoughtful design in every corner. Aalayam offers you more than just a home. Benefit from secure biometric entry, ample dedicated parking, and an impressive entrance lobby, all set in a tranquil, welcoming neighborhood. Live only minutes from the beach and the heart of Vizag's thriving community. Experience where timeless elegance meets contemporary living. Choose Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects and start your next chapter in style. In today's video, we present our comprehensive construction progress update for September 2025 at our landmark residential development, Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects. Our engineering and site teams have achieved key milestones this month. On the west phase, both brickwork and plastering for the elevation have been fully completed, reflecting our commitment to quality and attention to detail. Moving to the south phase, the elevation's brickwork and initial rough plastering are also finished, advancing the visual and structural elements of our project. Simultaneously, we've made significant headway in electrical work. For flats 101, 102, 201, 202, and 301, all electrical pipe laying and metal box fixing have been completed. These flats are now primed for the next step, plastering. Every stage of installation was meticulously inspected, and comprehensive documentation was maintained to ensure a high standard of execution and future traceability. As work continues, we remain focused on quality, safety, and timely delivery. Stay tuned for more updates and thank you for joining us as we build homes with excellence at Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects.